There is a kind of delicacy in China. Make rice flour into rolls, then wrap your favorite fillings inside, and it becomes an extremely delicious dish. Come on, today I'll show you how to make it. This is rice that has been soaked overnight in advance. Add 500 grams of clear water and stir it evenly. Next comes the labor-intensive part, grinding rice milk. Grind it 3 or 4 more times like this to make it smoother. First, dissolve wheat starch in water and stir it evenly. It will make the rice rolls more chewy. Then add 100 grams of boiling water to make them softer. Now we start to fry the sauce. This is the soul of the rice rolls. Add light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a little starch water to make it thicker. The most crucial step, steaming the rice rolls. First, brush a layer of oil. It's done. Pour the soy sauce over it. It has been stirred well. Let me take a bite. It's really good. Definitely not worse than the ones sold outside. A bowl of rice rolls outside costs $1. How much do you think mine is worth?